Okay, so we got everything ready to go. We're gonna install this PCM I just got from Diablo Sport. We got the Intune ready to go. I'm gonna be back in a few. We're gonna install this on this big boy right here. Now listen, this is gonna be unedited, uncut. I ain't really doing too much editing. I'm just gonna throw it on YouTube for people to see some of the complications that I go through installing it, and the whole procedure with using the Intune and the options and various perimeters that they have. All right, I'm gonna be back with you soon. Matter of fact, before I leave you, I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. We got some upgrades already done. We got the intake, got the Fastman throttle body on there. We got the catch can on there, and we got the full exhaust system. Okay, they'll be focusing. All right. So when I come back to you, we're gonna see how we do it. They said the PCM is somewhere over there in that corner, but I will have to research it just to find out, because the one I was looking at was the Dodge Challenger. And when I find it, we'll get back to it. All right.